Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the unification of China. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. Do it now, please. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's knock this one out and unify us some China. The Warring States period ended with the founding of the Qin dynasty. King Zheng became the first emperor of China. Although his dynasty crumbled soon after his death, later dynasties built upon his methods for ruling a large empire. Unity under the Qin. In 221 BCE, a mountainous kingdom called Qin defeated the last rival kingdom and united China. King Zheng of Qin faced many challenges in uniting China. Yet he took the title of First Emperor, or Shi Huangdi, to make clear his plans. He tore down the walls that local leaders had built to protect their cities. This step made rebellion more difficult. At the same time, he began one of the largest public works projects in history, the Great Wall. This huge wall served to protect China's northern border. Among other steps Shi Huangdi took to unify China was to create a single system of weights and measures for use in trade. He also established a single written language with standard characters. Finally, Shi Huangdi introduced a central governing system, reorganizing China into 36 provinces. The rule of the first emperor. Shi Huangdi created strict laws to unite the empire and end the chaos in China. He followed a ruling philosophy known as legalism, which stated that a strong leader and a strict legal system are needed to create social order. Shi Huangdi set in place a uniform legal code across his empire. Penalties for breaking even a minor law were severe. The first emperor also tried to control Chinese thought by censoring or banning ideas he found dangerous, offensive, or critical of his rule. This harsh rule, however, was also one cause of the fall of the Qin dynasty. Eventually, opposition to sharp enforcement of harsh laws sparked a rebellion and the overthrow of the Qin. Okay, now, a quick recap. The Warring States period finally wrapped up when King Zheng decided he was done with all the drama and crowned himself the first emperor of China, which is a pretty confident move for someone whose dynasty would not last much longer than a bowl of hot noodles. Still, he managed to unite China in 221 BCE by knocking down city walls, building a gigantic wall of his own. It was kind of great to keep northern troublemakers out and standardizing everything from writing to weights so people could at least argue in the same language. He ruled with strict laws based on legalism, which basically meant everyone needed to behave or face consequences that made grounding look gentle. His censorship and severe punishments kept order for a while, but also inspired enough frustration to fuel a rebellion that brought his short-lived Qin dynasty to an end, proving that even the strongest emperors cannot stop people from getting fed up. There you have it, folks. That is the unification of China nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons for me. I am the first emperor of Nutshelled History after all. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.